Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. This is a video on making a simple design for pavadai sattai using 3D liner. Come on friends, let us get into the video. Firstly, I copy my design onto the fabric using carbon sheet. If you wish, you can make use of the outline sketch which is available in the link given in the description below. After copying the design, I use white acrylic color to make a base layer. I prefer making a base coat for two reasons. First, it reduces the amount of paint we use, and the next, it makes the color look more vibrant. As the skirt is of sandal color, I have preferred using skin color for the design. Then, by using brown acrylic color, I make some shadows for the petal areas. Then I use pearl metallic gold 3D liner to make outlines, and I use pasting stones to make the design look more elegant. I always prefer using a toothpick or bottom of the brush to pick and paste the stones. Always do consider shaking the 3D liner bottle then and there, because as we keep pressing the bottle, there will be pressure built inside, because of which the paint inside may spill over the nozzle. Ensure keeping a waistcloth or a tissue in your hand to wipe the nozzle then and there. I have made some simple designs for the neckline using 3D liner and pasting stones. If you are new, kindly do support us by subscribing to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. Do share me your views about this video in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and share this video with your friends of similar interest. After completing, leave the fabric undisturbed for some time for the 3D liner and the paint to dry. After the liner dries, make some outline using black acrylic color or a black permanent marker. This makes the design to look more good. Thank you for watching the complete video.